Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. I want to thank everyone who's newly subscribed to the channel. We've been growing a lot lately. The channel's been gaining subscribers every day, so I want to thank everyone who's new to the channel. And of course, anyone who's been on the channel for a while. Now, what we talk about here on this channel is making money online, making money from home, side income, side hustles. We talk about affiliate marketing, social media management, everything we talk about here on the Mr. Modern Financials channel. So if you do enjoy that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're talking about 3 ways you can make money right now. And the first one on this list is something that might be time sensitive. So if you're watching this in 2020 or 2021 or whatever, you might want to skip the first one on this list just because this is a time sensitive offer. The other 2, however, are not time sensitive, and the other 2 will be working most likely in 2020 and 2021 and beyond. So the first one on this list is with Hyundai. Hyundai, of course, is a Korean car company that sells cars all over the world. They have an offer right now where you get a $50 gift card just to test drive a car. You probably, whether you know it or not, live near a local Hyundai dealership, and you probably live within a couple miles of one. They're usually, every state has at least 4 or 5 of them, and you will get paid $50 to go and test drive a car. Now, the reason for this could be a couple different reasons. They could be doing this as a marketing thing to where they think, for every 1,000 people who come, this many are going to buy a car and we'll recoup our money in the gift cards. Maybe that's the reason. Or maybe they really do just want feedback on the cars, but nonetheless, either way, either which one the rationale is for this, whichever it is, it's still a great way to make an easy $50 just by test driving a new Hyundai. And if you enjoy driving new cars, this is a perfect offer for you. If you're a car guy, you're into new cars, go check it out. Go to the website and you sign up. And this is not sponsored. This is not affiliated with them or anything. I just came across this recently doing some research for the video, and I thought I would include it. So yeah, $50 gift card for test driving a new Hyundai car. It is time sensitive, but the other 2 offers are not. So let's get on to the other 2. Next up is Streetbees. Streetbees is a really interesting website because I never heard about it until recently, and I'm always doing research on this. So this one really just slipped under the radar, but it's affiliated with, has customers with major companies, Bloomberg, BBC, Wired, Pepsi, L'Oreal, a lot of the independent. So they have big partnerships going on, which is always a great sign, something I always look for. Streetbees will basically pay you to do simple tasks and usually show some type of proof of it. So for instance, they will ask you, how do you have your coffee in the morning? Or how do you make, your bacon in the morning? And then they'll have you take a picture of you cooking or a short little video and you submit it, and you could earn $5 to $10 per task. Now, the reason why I think they pay so much more versus other survey websites is because other survey websites do have some bots on them, and that will bring down the overall price advertisers are willing to pay for that information, versus this website doesn't have bots because you have to film it or take a picture, so there's no bots. So if you're looking at it from a company perspective, they're going to pay a lot more for data on people who are 100% real versus on data on people who are like 80% real, and then there's 20% of them are bots, and that brings down the price as a whole. So this website is very interesting. If you want to sign up, I'll link it down below. I might put a code down below if I feel like it, but probably not. And you will be able to sign up right away. You could try it now, become a member, and you will right away be able to start earning $5, $10 per task, doing simple things like videoing yourself making coffee in the morning or cooking something or really anything. There's so much different diversity on here when it comes to the tasks, and I like that because then you don't get bored. If you're doing the same stuff every day, you're gonna get bored. I like things that keep your mind active, that kind of keep it a little bit different and really change it up. It's cool. I like this website. If you want to check it out, streetbees.com. I will link it down in the description if you want. And yeah, it's real-time opinion polls, and you could earn some decent money doing it. Lastly, guys, is a site I've talked about in the past, but I want to put it on this list because I think it could help some people out. That is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is through Amazon, so this is an official company. This is not some scam site. It's through Amazon, and basically it's a way for companies to hire quick, cheap employees all around the world and 24/7. Now, one big con of this is the pay is not great. All right, the pay is not amazing on these. Most of them are a couple dollars if you're doing a task. But here's the good thing: there's a lot of tasks. So if you're looking for something that you could scale, this would be it. Because the other two things I talked about are things that you could do but aren't scalable, right? Amazon Mechanical Turk is very scalable in the sense that there's always new offers coming in. Now, it's flexible. You could do it when you want. You could work a 9-to-5 job and do this. You could run your home business and do this. You could run your e-commerce website and do this. You could do whatever, go to school and do this. So it's very flexible, which is what I like. However, yes, a major con is the pricing is not great, but it's not awful. A lot of the tasks on here will only take maybe an hour or two to do. And they're usually data entry tasks from what I've looked at. A lot of them are data entry. A lot of them are, copywriting or writing an article or managing this or writing that. It's usually pretty monotonous tasks. However, if you do need some extra money and you're willing to work for a little bit less than market rate, Amazon Mechanical Turk can be great for you because there is no commitment here. If you go to a job, you have a commitment. You have to come in at this time every day, work to here. For most jobs, of course, unless you're working for yourself like I do. But yeah, so Amazon Mechanical Turk can be a good option for you. Ideally, guys, I would combine all three of these options or two of them at the very least, and that way you have a good balance between. With Amazon Mechanical Turk, you have a lot of offers at low prices. With Streetbees, you have less offers, but they're higher prices for you, so you could do a mix of both to get to that price or that income level you want every month. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful towards you. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, helps me out a ton. I will catch you in the next one. We have a lot of new videos coming out on the channel, so be sure you're subscribed, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day.